Hello and good evening. I am Imran.
I am Syam.
From Culinary Arts Students.
So today we want to talk about the non-question, the video of broadcast taught in 2023 was titled How to Be a Team Player Without Burning Out. In this talk, he presented collaborative work and if everything to do come with new ideas and make plans to bring us to life with others people. Next, the modern workplace actually made us too easier to foster collaborative example application Zoom, Google Meets, FaceTime, and Skype. So they help us work closely together, but we are doing more collaborative work than ever before. He gives us six main points to be a team player. Very simple. Without future, without further ado, we will analyze and point out for four non-verbal communication from the video we just observed from this assessment. We will do this thing consultant without even realizing it's I'm talking about a non-verbal communication. It's how we speak without saying a word. We will explore for type which is eye contact, gesture, experience, and those little we sometimes feel. First, eye contact. The speaker always focus on the camera on up his face. He maintained a consistent level of eye contact. It shows interest, the respect, and how he connects with the audience as if he is saying, I'm present with you, even when you are not in front of me. If we avoid the eye contact, it can be seen as a shyness and non-interest. For example, in a negotiation or discussion, consistent but still relaxed eye contact can build trust and engagement. On the other hand, studying intensely can feel aggressive and make the audience uncomfortable. Therefore, and for the natural and relaxed gaze, looking away occasionally to avoid making the others present feel uneasy. Using appropriate eye contact can make your message feel more impactful. Next, we have gesture. The speaker in the video always move his hand and arm during his speech, and he even use image or words on this screen to convey his message more effectively. Our hand movement and even our posture can convey subtle information to the watcher. Think about how a speaker might open his currently. Gesture can help to illustrate your word and keep your audience engaged. For instance, when describing something large, you might open your arm. However, it's crucial to remember about culture different because our gesture move that's positive in one culture might be of friendship to others. Also, avoid use distraction movement that just wasteful for your speech. Use natural gesture that complement your spoken words to make your communication more dynamic. Right?
Yes.
Do you have any point for non-verbal communication?
Of course, aside from the gestures and eye contact, there's also the thing like appearance. Okay. The speaker wear a proper clothes of collared shirt, clean shaven facial to show his professionalism and make the watcher to feel more confident in the speech he talk about. Appearance encompasses everything from the clothes we wear to our grooming, from hair, nail, and even coat or jacket to whether the event is formal or semi-formal. Next, while they are first, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but still, our appearance give an important part in giving first impression to others. Okay, a well-groomed and appropriately dressed speaker signals professionalism and respect for the audience and the occasion. For example, dressing smartly for a job interview conveys your seriousness and competence, while dressing lazily or inappropriate will just drive your impression to downward. All right. Strive for an appearance that aligns with the theme and formality level of the setting while keeping that professional look. Trust me, it will make your message more impactful psychologically to the audience. Lastly, the speaker used a filler or fill pause in some of his speech, especially when he point out the key point of what he mainly want to talk about. As example, he deliberately paused a little bit in each main point before continuing to next point to emphasize the keyword to the audience so they can remember it better. Other kind of filler also include and brief silence we sometimes say to our speech even without even realizing it. What a few natural pauses can give audience time to process the information in their heads and emphasize. Excessive filler can become distracting and make you sound unprepared or unsure to your audience. Imagine listening to someone who always says after every word. It can make it difficult to focus on your message, right? Field pause often occur when we are thinking or feeling nervous. To minimize unnecessary filler words like and if possible, instead of that words, we can use with silent pause. This will make you sound more confident to the audience by consciously reducing filler words and using pauses more strategically. You can enhance the clarity and impact of your speeches. In conclusion, mastering these four nonverbal communication methods, eye contact, gesture, appearance, and the uses of filler can elevate your presentation skills and overall communication effectiveness by being mindful of the subtle things. You can connect better with your audience and convey your message more precise and concisely. Okay, we have explored how to be a good team player. It is very important because a true team player must good in communication and know when you must feel to say the no. Okay, if your member give your multitask or too much work on your plates, the team player must prioritize the success of the team over his individual recognition. We must offer support and solution to those who need. You need to put your best foot forward and you need to be positive and also to give our work environment a shared purpose and goal. And last but not least, a team player must blend skill, attitude, and integrity in pursuit of quality success.
That's us from me. Again, I'm Syam.
And I am Imran from Culinary Arts. Thank
Thank you
you
very much.
very much.